Alright guys, I got this really nice hitch from Gen Y. It's rated for 32,000 pounds. And it comes with these pins rated for 32,000 pounds, but they are 3/4 inch. And when you come down, this is the stock receiver from GM. It doesn't fit. This is 5/8 right there. So what we're gonna do is drill it out. I got a 3/4 inch bit here, and that way we can make this work. I don't know where that video stopped, but right at the end it gave me a little trouble, but we're through. Let's try this side. Alright guys, I finally got through both sides. It gave this bit all it could handle. It's completely dull now and probably useless, so let's see if it works. Tight fit, but it fits. There you go, got the Gen Y drop hitch on there. It's also got this Peno attachment, so if you're looking at these hitches, you probably know about it, but if you got Peno hitch, you can slide that out. 32,000 pounds. Tongue weight 3,500. Alright guys, that is how you make that work. I got it set up here. Drill that hole 3/4 inch and you'll be set up for the hitch to weigh, be able to handle 32,000 pounds. The truck can handle about 18.5, so almost 19,000 pounds, so it'll handle more than you need. And if you're looking for this hitch, that's what you got to do. It's a good looking hitch. If you're wondering why I got a 9-inch drop, is because I'm going to be putting a lift on here and some bigger tires, so stay tuned.